How to add address on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add address on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, click on your Google. Now those 3 points up there, click on setting, scroll down and click on addresses and more. And you have the second option, which is add addresses. Click on it. uh, Add name, organization, street address, city, state, phone, wherever you want. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.